How to find Clipboard on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find your Clipboard on an Android phone or an Android device. Now, how it works. Basically, anything you copy is saved on your Clipboard on your device. Now, if I head over to my Chrome or any place that I want and I want to copy a certain text, then what I want to do is tap on it. Now here you can see I'll find the option to copy. Now you can see I've got an option copy to clipboard, but how do I find the clipboard? If you go to the place or if you tap on place where you can type in and long tap on it, you'll find the option to paste, extract text, and you'll find the option clipboard, and if you open it, your clipboard will open up as you can see. The other way is head over to anywhere you want, and here if I just tap in and below on my screen above my keyboard, you can see a clipboard icon there. Now tap on it and your clipboard is right there. You can delete it from there or you can pin certain text that you have copied. So this way you can find your clipboard on your Android device. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.